afternoon and good night. My house is echoing. Woo, woo, woo. When you're home alone and hear your voice echoing, that's what you do. Anyway, you guys, it's a brand new day here. It's sunny but chilly. So it's looking beautiful outside, but yet when you go out, especially in the morning, it's oh my gosh. Anyways, it's been a long day. It's afternoon right now. It's heading to 5 p.m. and my husband is gone to pick up the kids from school. He was on his way from his finger therapy and school is just beside that, so he said, okay honey, I'll stay and pick the kids up. So we are not putting the kids in aftercare today because we're heading on the road. So we're picking them up at the regular end of school time, which is 4:30. And today is also a big strike in France. They're striking because the government want to change retirement age from 62 to 64, and the French people are not happy. They're not happy about that, so they're protesting. So all on the news from morning, everywhere is having protests. So whenever that happens, a lot of schools are out for the day and there's no public transportation. So whenever that happens, most of the time our kids' school are okay. They always have school, but the majority of the time they don't have canteen. So this morning I had to drop them to school. I have to go back and pick up Tyler for 11:30, bring him home for lunch and bring him back by 1:30. But Sarah, however, had canteen in her little section in what we would call basic. So in basic school, to make you guys understand, kindergarten. But Tyler section had no canteen available, so I had to pick up Tyler. So I went on the road like 4 times from morning. I was beat already. So if I had gone to pick them up, it would be 6 times. So babe saved me. I didn't have to go and pick them up. I said save me as in I needed saving, but I didn't need saving. Anyway, it's good when he can pick them up though. It makes a change. So they should be coming home any minute now. I see shadows coming, which means I'm gonna, yes, I see Sarah in her jacket. So they're coming. So they we're going on the road because Tyler is growing up so much. Tyler is getting so tall. And Tyler is growing out all of his shirt, all of his sweaters that he wear over his shirt. When he put them on, they're all the way up on his arm. He looks so short and stocky in them. So sale is going on right now here in France. So we're going to buy some sweater for Tyler. Look. They're coming. Hi! How are you? Hey, take up the jacket off the floor. Hi. How are you? You had a good day? Yeah. What did you eat for lunch? She gone. Hi, my big boy. How are you? You're fine. Say hello to face. No, don't take off your shoes. We're going on the road. We're going shopping right now.
Give about 10 minutes.
Of course 10 minutes, but keep your shoes. Sarah, don't take off your shoes. We're going shopping. We're going to the car, okay?
Ah. C'est ouvert.
What's in Sarah's book?
C'est ouvert.
Tuve, explain to the face why you said that.
It's like every day there is a little monster that representing the kids, and is the color of the behaving of the day. Green means very nice, very kind, very nice work. Yellow means good job.
That's
Blue
okay.
mean
Put it back on.
So. Red
Put it down
mean
here.
need to look after your son. Black need definitely something's wrong. And all of the last are green. She had some yellow at first, and now she adjusts to the green.
Yeah. Little monster getting all greens at school. Proud of her. You eat all of your snack already?
No, not at all.
Okay.
I only had the...
Sorry, I ate your snack.
She had the juice and the donuts.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh, donuts.
No, don't give her anything else. Sorry, I ate your snack. Oh Lord, as they come home, they at it. Sarah, we're going to go to the car soon, okay?
Okay.
We're going shopping for your brother. Okay. So this is one of the good sweaters that he have that fits okay. Stand up, let me see this sweater. So this one is not bad. By next year, this one won't fit. And all the others are short. Careful how you're speaking.
It's good to continue.
And baby's working from home today, so makes it good for us to go in the evenings and okay, and go shopping. So we don't want to go too late, so we're gonna head out in about 10 minutes. So I'll try to carry you guys along with me. So see you guys on the road. I'm out. Look at her. Hey, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Hey, hey. Hey. You hear pull You hear pull out? Sarah, you nap at school? You nap? Sarah, did you take a nap?
Yes.
Yes, mama.
Mama.
Well, you hear pull up, so you definitely nap. And this one come home. Look what he's doing. He's reading. You're not hungry, Ty? Ty?
No.
What did you eat from your snack pan? Alone? Nothing else? You don't want anything else? You need to take something else.
Mikado. No.
Mikado. Okay.
I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up. Head down, push forward through the tough times. Cause anything worth doing is a tough climb. And I ain't gonna give up. Got too little time, I'ma live up.
Alright, first stop. Trying to find something for my boy. There's not much. I'm a bit disappointed by this store that I was hoping to find something's in, but I don't see much. I got two though. €7 a piece. So let's see if I can miraculously find at least two more. I'm at dollar store stop. I have to get in successfully some jackets for Ty. So I'm at the dollar store. I like to call it the dollar store because we don't really have dollar store here in France, but it's a reduction price store. I love to come in here because you'll find little knickknacks where you wouldn't normally find in a regular store. So I like to buy macaroni and cheese in here because it's in here that I find them when I don't find them at my supermarket. And mission accomplished. Mission accomplished. H&M, Foot Locker, on, my baby boy get his jackets. Mission accomplished. Got all those things. Baby boy got his jacket. Now I'm gonna go get them at the slide and go get some food. It's way past my dinner time. It's after 7. Y'all know if I eat dinner at 6 o'clock. But yeah, I can see them going up the slide. Look at them. You ready to go eat? Where am I? It's when she come down. I saw her when she was going up, but when she... Oh, shoes. Ah, shoes. Time to go eat. You okay? Why your eye look like that? What's wrong with your eye?
It's just
Okay.
something.
Let's find the other one. Where is she? No? Shoes. Put your shoes. Put your shoes. Look at her. Look at her. Sarah. 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 Come, it's time to go eat. Put on your shoes. I was so hungry I didn't show you guys what we got. We're in McDonald's. Sandwich. We got a fish sandwich. Thailand Sarah as usual got nuggets and fries. So we're having dinner. McDonald's tonight. Run, Sarah, run! When we're closing the mall, this is what happens. They have the mall to themselves. Culture open still? You guys, I'm back. We're back where we rightfully belong. And I got myself a few things. But you remember
You got yourself a box?
you remember I told you guys that if I don't buy my husband a shoes, he'll never ever buy himself a shoes. So I went ahead and did him the honor and buy him a shoes.
Okay.
And he doesn't know what it looks like.
Not at all.
Come. Ready? Close eyes.
No, glasses, I can leave them open.
Open.
Come on.
You guys, I am in love.
That big foot.
Yes, you have that big foot. So please try it. And if I need to carry it back, I'll return it. It's 44. You're a 44, no? Yes, you are a 44. This is the last Jordan I bought, babe. I love seeing them in them. 44. Oh! 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 Look at that. Look at that. Say thanks, my wife. Say thanks, my wife. Remember you had to take out the
Yeah,
bottom
that's
of
what
this
I was
one.
about to say.
So you might have to do the same thing. Sarah said close your eyes.
Papa, it's for you.
No, it's for Tyler. And we got some nice sweaters for Tyler on sale.
It's the parrot.
This one original price was 21 euros and I got it for 6 euro. I got some tops for mama.
You want to gift now?
Hmm?
You want to gift now?
This top I got it at H&M. Originally $15 and I got it for $1.99.
What the deal?
And I got it in the green. I got the green for $5.99 though.
Oh,
Different color, different price. And more tops for Tyler. This one was originally 10 and I got it for 6. Not bad.
No.
It's for Sarah.
20 then 10 then 6.
Oh yeah. Was originally 20. Hey. This one for Tyler. This another sweater. It was originally. Tell her that I love shopping during sale, you know. I love shopping during sale. This one was originally, I don't know, I don't see the price on it, but it was a good deal. This one, another one for Tyler, sweater, was originally,
But Tyler is bad. Why we get Tom and sweater?
I don't know the original price, but I got it for $6.99. I don't remember the original price, but it was in the store. And then I got some more tops for myself on sale. You guys
Showing
can
belly.
see.
Showing belly.
This was originally €10 and I got it for $6.99. And I got a black, something similar. Originally €10, I got it for $8.99.
You're satisfied with your shopping?
Yes, not bad. This one was originally €13 and I got it for $6.99. Another one, I really needed some winter tops. I've been rotating this for a while. And this one is another one. I got it for $4.99 and it was originally $12.99. And then I saw this nice little summer top, summer dress that was on sale. Hold on, Sarah. It was originally $14.99 and I got it for $7.99. And now my daughter, what do you want? You want to put it? What did Papa say? Papa say? What did Papa say?
No.
Papa say no, so Mama say no. We're gonna brush teeth and put on pyjama and go to bed, okay?
Okay.
Alright, we're gonna go brush teeth and put on pyjama. Go on. Take it up, please. It's okay and no crying. No? Very good. Tyler? You're right in front of me. Tyler? Brush teeth and go to bed with your sister. What's wrong? You hurt your face? Calm down.
Hey Tyler, tiens.
Go take it up and go brush your teeth with Tai. Go on.
Tu penses ça dans ton...
No, wipe it with your shirt.
No.
This one.
Du mardi, on est sorti.
We're going to the dentist tomorrow, okay? You and Mama and Tai and Papa. But the dentist only going to see Mama and Sarah. Okay?
Mama and Sarah.
Yes.
Papa and see no one.
No, we go to the dentist.
Mama,
Yes.
doctor.
Yes, you're gonna take the bus. No, go and brush your teeth with Tyler.
I take the picture.
No, no pick here. Go. Tyler.
On a
Sarah,
fait
take off the
shopping
dress.
à la place. On verra ce week-end. Ah, il a du travail à faire.
Anyway, you guys, that's what's up right now. I am going to go put my kids to bed. Come help me in the vlog. I'm gonna put my kids to bed and get some stuff done because everybody is tired, especially the kids. They're really whining. You hear? Come in the vlog.
Bye.
Sarah, go and brush your teeth and don't do that. Anyway, you guys, give this video a thumbs up. I need to go attend to my kids. Comment down below, subscribe if you're new. Catch up and keep up with the fam bam.
And promise you, we'll see you tomorrow.
Definitely.
Seriously. No smile. Yeah. Seriously. Make them scared.
He's a fool. Move.